What, guys? This is absolutely insane. 50 subscribers? There's this glitch for only 2 subscribers, which is really weird, and I'm pretty sure more people would have done that. And I was just like, oh really, is that all we've gotten? So there's lots of other people commenting on my video. So what I tried doing is I said, if I click the like button, refresh the page, wait for that to happen, and see what would happen. And it just turns it. Attack you. This is the place George Pig was last seen. It just turns it into it too. So that's really weird. I don't get why it's doing that. I know for a fact that just because it's only showing 2, we're still growing and still improving. So that's good. And 73 views a day ago. That is insane. So I'm really happy with that, actually, guys. Thank you. I just also want to say a quick thanks to Xima or Symmetrax, Gravy Sauce, and Up Off Net. Thank you so much. I will be posting 3 random comments supporting the channel, and you can see them here. Thank you. Now, what can I say? We've got 50 subscribers. Now, something I thought I just wanted to cover and let you guys know is I can't do the most high performance games, as you probably do not know right now. I actually cannot run Minecraft and stuff like that. I am currently using Mac. I know it's still really good and it can get the job done, but I just can't run very high good games. So for people who are like me and don't have the best setup in the world, people want to know is how to record. So now I'm recording right now, and as you can see, audio recording and all stuff like that. How do I do this though, and how do I set it out? So there's like little microphones up the top, like the little dots up the top, that's the microphone, or sometimes, depending on what depending on what Mac you have, it can either be on the sides. Now these are already microphones, so these are built-in microphones, so you don't actually need to go and install a microphone. I don't use an actual microphone. Now in the future, if I am looking to improve my video quality, I will then look forward to building mic, but that would be like a lot ahead, maybe like when I get 500, 1,000, if I even get that. This is probably the best already pre-installed recorder, and you don't actually need to install anything. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over to Launchpad, search up QuickTime Player. Now as you can tell, it's already here, but I also have it in my hotbar. I've actually had to put it there, so some of you might not have that. So just saying, head to this little rocket icon, click it, and it should come up, and you can just search it up right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open that. This kind of like Finder like this. So that's that. And then you just generally hit cancel. But rather than tapping the screen, so for example, I'm on QuickTime Player now, rather than tapping off the screen, cancelling QuickTime Player, you've got to open up QuickTime Player like that. And now the next thing you want to do to start the recording is you've got to head over to File. Now File allows you to do new audio recording or new screen recording. Now the reason new screen recording is currently blanked out is that's because I'm already recording. Now as you can tell, this little circle with a square icon, this means I'm recording. And obviously I've kept this out so you guys can see the audio recording. Now this monitors the waves and like how loud my voice is and how long I have been recording. Now I can monitor and adjust my voice, but if your voice is turned up max, it starts echoing like this. Screen size. So when you hit File, Screen Recording, it will say, okay, blah blah blah, click or drag where you want to do. So as you can tell, I'm doing full screen. So what I've done is I've just clicked. So I hope you guys enjoyed the officially worst ever how-to guide, and hopefully it's my last. No, just joking. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you want me to do more how-tos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.